Okay guys, did you see how this durang or this peanut stew has all cooked slowly and steadily, and it turns out beautiful. Did you see that oil popping up there? That oil is naturally from the groundnut, you know, the peanut butter. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. Please join our channel membership so that you can support us with whatever that we're doing on our YouTube channel, and we appreciate you. So today is a Muslim New Year and we call it as Yawm Asura. Okay, so this Yawm Asura day, we normally cook a special meal for this, and it is eaten at night, and you can fast during this Asura as well, and it's got a lot of stories about it. Okay, if we have to pinpoint out every bit, we're gonna be here until tomorrow. But anyway, the basic thing is this is the meal that we cook on Asura night, and some cook it with futo. If you can remember, we did futo before chere on our Kadir night, but today we are going to be doing findo. It's called in Mandinka this here, findo, and it's called in Wolof Findi, and that one says Fonio. Is that English or French? You guys tell me in the comment section below. All right, so this is what we're going to be cooking today for this Asura night with all of these ingredients here, guys. Please don't miss it out. It's going to be smashing. All right, now let's get into it. So guys, we've got our pot on here. We're going to be starting this cooking by adding some hot water in the pot. Okay, and that was 1.7 liters that we just add. And we're going to go on and add our assorted meat. We've got different cut shapes of meat, and it's mutton. And we add all of that in, and we're going to add our snail in. Then we will be adding our intestine in as well. This is the special bit for this cooking. Okay, that goes in as well. So now we're going to add our smooth peanut butter in, and this is 340 grams. We're going to add all of it in, and then this one is just half that was left, so I'm just going to add that in as well. This is called peanut butter stew that we're cooking to go with our findo. Okay, so now we're going to blend our onion, tomatoes, and 2 Scotch Bonnet chilies. Then we blend. Right, so we put the blended ingredients in the pot. We add it in. We add another chili, tablespoon of that, and a tablespoon of salt. Then we add 1 tomato puree in as well. This cooking is just quite interesting and basic, like you add almost everything in and let them all do their own internal business and just do the magic. Right, so we give all of that a mix. Everything mix well. The chili side is optional for you guys. If you're not a chili fan, you don't need to add too much in it, you know. Okay, so now we're going to go on and put the lid on halfway like that, and let this all slowly cook, okay, until while we're cooking the durango, the peanut stew, guys, we have to constantly keep checking it and giving it a stir. Let me hold it. Right, by giving it a stir, because we don't want it to stick at the bottom, so we give it a stir. And we have to always keep doing that, okay. And the reason of the lid being on it also is for the durango to not splash all over, because durango is fond of splashing around. So this is why you put the lid halfway, so that it doesn't mess your kitchen too much. Okay, so we're gonna leave it now, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, let's check our durango, our peanut stew. It's getting there, cooking slowly and steadily. Give it a stir, and we're going to add our bitter tomato in, also adding our carrots in, cassava. We're going to add some okra, lady's fingers, 1 Scotch Bonnet chili, and we give it a stir again. Right, then we're going to add, today we're adding joker. This joker, I bought it from a Gambian store in London, and I was so happy to buy it from there, because when I went there I saw so many Gambian foods there, and I said to him, wow, I'm gonna say this to my people so that they can come and visit if they want any Gambian food or any other African food. And the guy's name is Sheriff. He lives in Isham, London. He sells all the African foods, whatever you like is there. He even sells Gambian Afra. Can you imagine? I went there and my mouth was watering. His store name is called Adam's Butters Fast Food. So if you go there, he's in Isham. If you want to know more details about him, you can put a comment on the comment section below, and then I will link you up with him. All right, let's break this joker in our durango. Then we give it a stir. Just go gentle with it, just like that, and voila. Okay, put the lid back on again on the side, and bingo. Okay guys, did you see how this durango, this peanut stew, has all cooked slowly and steadily? And did you see that oil popping up there? That oil is naturally from the groundnut. You know, the peanut butter, that's actually from that. So this is what I'm going to do now. Give it a mix, and then I'm going to be turning the gas totally off, because we don't want that durango to be thick. We want it that runny, because what we're going to make with the findo, the durango shouldn't be thick, it should be loose, so that the recipe and all the cooking will become beautifully well prepared together. Okay, so I have done my final stirring of this durango, this peanut stew. I'm going to turn the gas off, and then we are going to put the lid halfway on, then move on. Okay, now we are going to move on with our findo. We got our findo in the bowl here, and we're gonna add some hot water onto it gradually. So I'm gonna add that much butter, mix it together. Guys, we've got our pot on here with our colander, and then we went on and get our cheesecloth and put it on here, because if not, this findo is too small, it's gonna go through. And you can get this cheesecloth from Wilco. So we're going to go on and add our findo in. Right, my hands are clean. Just take those bits out. We're going to be steaming this here, and we will be checking it as well gradually and turning it as it steams. This is what we're doing. And then we put a lid on it. Okay. Also in this pot here, we've got some okra that we are cooking, and that is going on this findo as well. All right. Let's check our findo. Okay. Let's see how this is cooking. Let's mix it. Okay, that's cooking well. We just make sure we mix everything from the bottom to the top, and the butter make it soften. You know, I like it. Don't you like it, boys and girls?
Yeah.
Let's cover it back again and let it carry on cooking. Also, our okra is done, so we're going to take it out and put it in our mortar here. Then we're going to blend it. Just be careful. Findo now. I'm sure it should be done by now. Lovely. Right, that's done. So we're going to go on and hold it carefully and tip it in here. Just be careful, that's hot. So we give it a mix, and we bring our okra in. The blended okra goes in it. Then we mix all of them together. Right. So now this is ready. The durango is ready, the peanut stew. We are going to plate up now, guys. Alright. So guys, that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. The findo with durango peanut stew. Tamharite vite for you, guys. Anyway, guys, I love you all, and please, if you like what you see in the kitchen today, hit the like, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, Happy New Year to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Happy New Year to every one of you. And until we come on your way again soon, goodbye.